Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a video and it's really fun and cool module in Python and I'll teach you about a model in the future video. But this module is called Turtle and it's like um, uh, a module that can draw, so it's like really fun. It's like its name technically tells what it is, kind of. It's like kind of like it's just an arrow that looks like but it doesn't look like a turtle, but it moves like a turtle. It moves slowly, and it leaves a line behind it. So it's not like a turtle, it's more like a slug or a snail because it leaves a line behind it, and I'll show you how it looks in like a few minutes. Okay, so first what we have to do is make a new file as always and save it. I'm just gonna save it as turtle tutorial and save it to my file. Okay, I'll just replace it. Okay, so first we have, since it's a module, it's from somewhere else, so we have to import it. And you spelled it correct if it's orange. Then you just have no quotes or anything, you just have to do turtle. And then first, since we don't want to keep on writing, so say we want to make, let's see, we want to make like a line just going forward to see how it looks. We can just do turtle dot forward, and then we can just say how much we want it to go. And in computers, it always goes like a pixel, so like that's like a very small length. So if we wanted to, let's just say let's go 50. Then it'll make a new window, and you can see that 50 is just this big. So if we wanted to make it a little smaller and bigger, we can do like 200. I don't think it'll be a little too big. And try. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. And then okay, so now let's just try making a square. Okay, so first we made 200. We'll not make a square because we need to learn how to make it go right and all that. So let's just go over all the basic directions this turtle can go. So first it can go forward, and then we delete this. If you want it to go backwards, then we can just do backward, like that. And then we can say like 100, I guess, if you want. And then we run this, and then you can see it goes backwards. Okay, so now let's say we want it to go like turn right. So if we wanted to turn right 90 degrees, so when we're doing on left or right, say we're doing right, then we have to always, instead of it won't move, it'll just turn in terms of degrees. So say we want to turn a right angle, so 90 degrees. Then it'll just won't move, it'll just turn, like as you can see, it turned this way. It turned downwards. Say now you want to do left, same thing, 190 degrees. Then you can run it again, and you can see it turned from it's pointing right to pointing upwards because we turned it left, right 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's try making a square just to use all of these directions. So first we can, if we want to go forward, we can just do turtle.forward, and since 200 was a little too big, we'll just do 100 this time. And then, so since it'll go this way, and then we want it to turn left, so it'll point upwards. So we do turtle dot left this time. Then we just do 90 degrees since the interior angles of a square is 90 degrees. Okay, so now we can do turtle, since it's pointing left, we just go up again. So turtle dot forward 100 again, because we want a square has all equal sides. And then we can do, since it's pointing up this way, so we just do left again. Turtle dot left 90 degrees. Then we can do turtle dot forward because it's going this way. Then it went forward first, then it turned left, then it's going forward, then it's turning left, and now we have to go forward again. Same 100 degrees, 100 not degrees, 100 pixels. Then we go turtle dot left again. So we have to turn it left one more time. And then this is 90 degrees. And finally we do turtle dot forward 100 pixels. Now if we just don't run it, but if we just go through it ourselves, we can see that it'll since it's pointing right always when it starts, it'll go forward 100 pixels, then it turns right 90 degrees, then it goes forward again 100 pixels and turns right 90 degrees again. And then it goes forward again 100 pixels, then it turns 90 degrees again, and then it goes forward again 100 degrees to join the 2 points, and then we get a square. So it should work. As you can see, we got a nice perfect square. That's really cool. So another really cool and fun thing you can do with turtle is you can since it's called turtle, it will look kind of cool if the arrow that we have over here, the arrow that's moving and drawing, this arrow right here, it would be kind of cool if we can make it a turtle, right? So a cool way to do that, or not cool, but like a nice way you can do that is you can just do turtle dot shape, then parentheses, and either single quotes or double quotes. And usually in my future videos I always use single quotes, but you can use double quotes if you want. We use single quotes, and then we can do turtle because we want it to be a turtle. We just have to do that. And then now if we run the program, you can see it's a turtle that's drawing, which is so cool. So that's all for this video. And if you want to do something yourself, you can make a triangle if you want, or like a pentagon or anything. And also one thing you can also use, if you want to make a different drawing after this, you want to make a square, and then you want to make a square again after this, then you can also do turtle dot you can do turtle dot clear, and then we can just put parentheses with nothing in it, and then we can just do the same program again. If you want to clear it and leave the turtle exactly where it was and draw another square from there, we can do that. And you can see it starts from that same point because it started over here, then it went here, then he went here. It started from over here, came here, came here, came here, then it does it again, then it comes here and comes here, comes here and comes here. And if you wanted to go back to where it started, like over here or somewhere, then we just have to do, instead of turtle.clear, we just do turtle.reset, and it'll just make a square right where it was before. So we can see it's making a square, and it'll just keep on making a square in that same place. Yeah, so now that's all for turtle. And so I'll see you in the next video.